Hello students, in this class of ours we will see how HCF and LCM and the numbers are related. This is true in case of only two numbers. When you have HCF and LCM of two numbers, then how they are related? You can write this HCF multiplied by LCM, that is equal to first number into second number. See, this is not at all, there is nothing complicated about it. Very simple. If you are given out of these four, first number, this is second number, and this is LCM and HCF. If you multiply LCM and HCF of two given numbers, that will be equal to product of those two numbers. So far as solving the questions is concerned, in the class 10th board examination, not a single question will be asked on this topic which will require more information that has already been given to you. But now if you have some patience, try to bear with me. Today we will try to prove why when we multiply HCF and LCM, that is equal to product of the given numbers. That is not for the exam purpose, but otherwise it is very important. So see, we will see, I will take 20 and 6. So 5 into 2 into 2, and this is 3 into 2. If you want to find out HCF, see, the HCF algorithm goes like this. Find out only common. So 2 is common there and 2 is common here. This can also be written as 5 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2. Power notations we have written this into. This is 3 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 1. So now algorithm of finding out HCF of the given two numbers is said to be that pick up only the common factors. So see, factors of 6, let me write, otherwise it will be ambiguous for you. 20 can be written as 5 into 2 into 2. This is product of the prime factors of 20. Now this can further be written as 5 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2. And 6 can be written as 3 into 2, and this can be written as 3 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 1. Now our standard procedure that we have already discussed is like this for finding out procedure. Write down only common factor. So here 5 is there in the factors of this, but 5 is not here. So 5 is not common. 3 is again not there. So 3 is also not common. So what is common? 2. And second condition was that you have 2 with the power 2 also, and you have 2 with power 1 also. So which one to pick up? So for finding out highest common factor, you have to find out the common factor with the least power. So that is 2 raised to power 1, or that is 2. So you can say 2 is the HCF of 20 and 6. Now if you find out LCM, 25 into 2 into 2, that can be written as 5 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 2, and 6 can be raised 2 into 3. So that can be raised 2 into 1 and 3 into 1. Now for finding out LCM, the algorithm goes like this. Take all the factors, whether they are common or not. So as we have said, factor 5 is there, write down. Factor 3 is there, take down. Both are having power 1, 1, so write down. Now there is a common factor, 2. Here it is 2 raised to power 2, here it is 2 raised to power 1. So in LCM we want to take common factor with the highest power. So this will become 2 raised to power 2 and 3 and 5. So that is your LCM. 4, 3 is 12, 60. Now you look at, if 20's factors are 5 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 2, and factors of 6 are 3 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 1. Out of these 4 factors, let us say this, you have picked up 1. So this is gone. So when you find out LCM for 20 and 6, you have taken one factor separately, and that you have taken as HCF. Now for when you come LCM, see, 3 factors, 20's factors 5 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 2 were left, and for 3 the factor 3 was left. Now when we have found out LCM, I have taken 5 also, I have taken 2 raised to power 2 also, and I have taken as 3 also, which means HCF contains some of the factors of the given number, and other than this factor which is contained in HCF, rest of the factors are in LCM. That means when you take HCF and LCM, every factor, every prime factor that was there for 20 and 6, that has come. Whatever the factors have come in HCF have come, and rest of the factors that were left behind were come in LCM. So if you multiply this number 2 and then multiply by 5 raised to power 1 and then 3 and 2 raised to power 2, so this was HCF and this is LCM, and this is undoubtedly equal to, see, factors of 6 are 3 and 2, so 3 and 2, and factors of 20 are 5 and 2 raised to power 2, that means that will be equal to product of first number into second number. So multiplication of HCF and LCM of two numbers is equal to multiplication of those two numbers. Whatever the factor has been taken in LCM, rest of the factors are present in HCF. So when you multiply LCM and HCM, one way you are multiplying every prime factor of the given two numbers. So that will be equal to product of the given two numbers. So when we are talking about HCF and LCM of two number, the product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of the two numbers.